That was a good one.
Yeah. Man, that was a huge adjustment. That a boy.
You just made Aaron get a shocked face.